everyone, my name is Camilo from Honey and Funny. Today I will show you how you can create your own clothes with original designs. First of all, I want to show you those three different packages that we have. In the first one you can find 5 sheets of black heat transfer vinyl. In the second one you can find 5 sheets of white heat transfer vinyl. And in the last one, the biggest, you will find 20 different colors with 1 sheet per every color. In the cover, you can watch all the different colors that we have inside of the package. And in the back of every package, you can see the instruction to use our products. Here you can watch the design that I will use. They are a very popular couple. We are close with Valentine's Day, so I choose something related with that day. We are not going to use any cuting mat, so it's very important that in the software we don't get selected any cuting mat. I will cut my design by layer, but you can use any technique that you want. At the end of the project, all techniques can work. I change a little bit the settings. You can try it if you want. I change blade in number 2, speed in 5 and force in 15. I will start with a white sheet. In every heat transfer vinyl sheet, you will see a little label that shows you which side is the cutting side. That side will have to be cutted by the machine. Then with the black one, red and yellow to finish. With any kind of hook or any sharp tool, we will have to peel our cut vinyl. And we are just left the pieces that we want to stamp in our shirt. Now we are going to prepare our sheet to stamp it. We will erase all the marks on it. Then we will place the first layer, in that case the black one. The setting that I used was temperature in 320 Fahrenheit degrees, and the time it will be for 30 seconds. Inside of the big package of vinyls, you can find a Teflon sheet. We will need it to not have contact between the iron and our vinyl. I mean direct contact. The next layer it will be the red, then the yellow and the white to the end. And done! We have a original t-shirt with a super cool design. I always say, the limit is your imagination. If you like the video, don't forget to share it with your friend. I will leave all the links to our store in the description of the video, so you can buy all our products. I am Camilo from Honey and Funny Vinyl. See you soon with more cool projects. Bye bye!